Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about the disability to ability achievements. Disability. For listening, it is too easy. But while going through that moment, we get to know what do you mean by real disability. Disability is not a word. To face it, to go from it, to come from that to one level is the main phase period. It is the waste of time. Someone can say waste of time. Even I also thought that it is a waste of time in the life. Today, when I got through from that disability, now I get to know the ability. Everyone can say, yeah, disability to ability achievement is not a big story. I also know it is not a big story, but when you face the disability, that moment you knows what is the kind of disability. Only for saying, yeah, we have to help disabled peoples, but saying and going from what they are feeling at that moment, we can't understand it in life. Everyone says life is too easy, but it's too hard when the disability comes in the life. We depend on others. That is the big reason of the disability. Disability means nothing but to sleep on a bed. For everything, we are dependent on others. We can't stand on our legs. That is the meaning of real disability condition. We can't say that we can get able from disabled to able. To get from disabled to able, there are so many people who plays the most important role in our life. For example, first of all is family, second is friends, and third are relatives. In that also, they give so many taunts to you from which you have to come back and see your own way. Firstly, I also thought that whatever happened, now let it be. God gave me. But why I should think like that? God gave me. For God, all people are equal. That we all knows. So, then also we think, God gave me. Arre baapre, how we will now? But the real condition is what we did in the life. Now I will come to the main point. I don't want to distract others. The main point is when I got incident with myself from the scooty I skidded. That time I thought, ये क्या मेरे साथ भगवान ने किया? मुझे ऐसा दिन क्यों आया? मैंने ऐसा किसका क्या बिगाड़ा था? So many questions I think. But the moment I didn't think what will be in my future, who is going to come and help me in this condition. There are so many friends, but nobody comes. For saying everything is easy, but doing so much hard. Firstly, I thought that, how I will now, how I will. But how you have to be. For your family, I stand it. I have the disability even right now also, but nobody can change it. That is change comes from yourself, from your inner mind. That has to come. Even we can't say, disable. I can't walk, I can't do, I can't. You can't, but you have to. That is the achievement. When I got through the ACL and PCL treatment, that time I got to know how hard to be depend on others. For drinking water, you have to call others. You have to pass urine, then also you have to help. Then also you want the help of others. Why? Because you are disabled. I know I am disabled, but some people come and give you the torture rate, and they used to tell you the thousands of times you are disabled, by which you also start thinking like that, I am really disabled. You are disabled from the leg, not the mind. When your mind is correct, then you will get to one position. If you think the level of times that you are really and kind of disabled, you never come and stand up. In the period from the 3 months, I faced the disability problems. So many kinds of problems came in my life. Nobody came and helped me out. Without only my parents, they helped me to come out from this. I have a big family and big friends, but nobody comes and help you in that condition. Everyone thinks, यार अब तो इसका क्या है, ये तो अभी अपाहिज हो गई. अपाहिज word. Apahiz is a word. We think that is a big disease. It is not a disease. अपाहिज तो बुद्धि होती है, इंसान नहीं होता. Think like that. जब बहुत सारे रिलेटिव्स मुझे देखने हैं, everybody said he can't walk, who will get married to her, what she will do in the future, how she will get delivered the children's. अरे when she can't get married, you only telling, then why are you going for the children's delivery? जब तुम्ही लोगों ने कहा है कि शादी ही नहीं हो सकती, तो बच्चे की बात क्यों जा रहे हैं हम आगे? यही तो अपाहिज है. जिंदगी में लोग होते हैं जो हमें आके बताते हैं कि तुम अपाहिज हो, फिर वही आके ताना मार जाते, अब क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, अभी क्या किया भगवान ने. अगर तुम सी द लेवल वेयर वी ट्रस्ट अदर्स, व्हाई वी हैव टू ट्रस्ट अदर्स यार? ट्रस्ट आवर पेरेंट्स, ट्रस्ट ऑन गॉड एंड ट्रस्ट ऑन आवरसेल्फ. In life we should never trust on others. I think this is the best I will tell, कि we should never ever think for others, because they are the waste of the time we are thinking for them. I know disability is so, I have to face so many problems, but everyone comes with a biscuit or with a coconut water and they show a kind of peace in their heart. They have so much kind of nature for us, but they don't have. They have to come. I think they have to come and they have to tell us, because without them we also can't understand that what we are. I think they came, they said so many things to me. I got tortured. I also थिंकिंग कि यार भगवान ने ऐसे मुझे क्यों छोड़ा, इससे अच्छा तो मुझे मार ही देता या तो मुझे ले ही जाता अपने साथ. दैट ऑल करेक्ट, दैट ऑल फॉर दैट पीरियड, दैट ऑल इज करेक्ट, बट टुडे आई थिंक दैट इज टोटली रॉन्ग एंड आई एम टोटली करेक्ट, बिकॉज टुडे आई एम स्टैंडर्ड ऑन माई लेग्स. हाँ, दैट इज टू लॉन्ग पीरियड. आई वेंट फ्रॉम दैट, I went from the so many operations, so many things I did in the life to stand up. So many physiotherapists came, so many things gone happen with me. Sometimes this tablet, this injections, that therapy, this therapy, you have to, you can't do, you should do this diet, that diet. I had did so many things from this April month to till right now. And in future also I have to do, I know that. But for your health you don't have 10 to 20 minutes. मुझे एक बात नहीं समझ आती इस दुनिया की. लोग कहते हैं यार हमें ऐसे लोगों की मदद करनी चाहिए. कितने लोग सामने से बढ़कर आते हैं कि मदद करने के लिए? कोई नहीं आता. सब कहते हैं यार इसको भगवान ने क्या कर दिया, भगवान ने क्या कर दिया. अरे भगवान ने कर दिया, पर तुम क्या कर रहे हो हमारे साथ? वही तो, जब हम चलते हैं कहाँ ऐसी भीड़ में फिर भी धक्का दिया जाता है, गिराया जाता है. ऐसे कई सारी बातें हैं जो हमें बाद में पता चलती है, बट हम सोचते हैं यार कि भगवान ने ही किया, तो ये तो फिर लोग हैं. अरे लोग, भगवान ने ही तो लोगों को बनाया है. कोई बाबा संत बन जाता है, हम फिर वो तो ह्यूमन बॉडी का ही संत होता है ना, थोड़ी ना उसकी कोई अलग सी बॉडी बन जाती है कि फिर हम उसको जाके पैर पड़ते हैं और फिर वो बोलता है हमें अरे बाप रे ऐसे नहीं वैसे नहीं. तो वो कोई बाबा, जब वो बाबा बन जाता है, ह्यूमन बीइंग है, तो हम उसको पूछने लगते हैं. तो हम क्यों नहीं किसी की मदद कर सकते जिंदगी में? बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, सभी के जवाब तो देना सबको पॉसिबल नहीं है. कोई कहेगा ये तो कोई कहेगा वो. तो आई थिंक आई विल स्टार्ट माई स्टोरी टू टेल यू हाउ आई गेट द इंसिडेंट.